Hello students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss revision assignment number 1 for 9th class, that is from our unit 3 reading is Swaminathan expelled from the school. Okay, from that editing passage is given for us. Now see here, Swaminathan kept staring foolishly till he received another whack on the back. The sentence begins with a simple past. So I told you in previous classes that when a sentence begins with a simple past, there will be here in that passage simple past, past continuous and past perfect will be used. Okay, if a sentence begins with a simple present, 4 tenses will be applicable. That is simple present, present continuous, present perfect and simple future. Okay, so already I told you that the student must be thorough with these 7 tenses. I am not advocating you people to omit the remaining tenses, but you have to concentrate on these 7 tenses. So the whole math will be there in these 7 tenses. Now the headmaster demanded what the young brigand had to say it about. Now you see the answer. The headmaster demanded what the young brigand had to say about it. Here this sentence you see. The headmaster demanded what the young brigand had to say about it. In the question, the headmaster demanded what the young brigand had to say it about it. Okay, word order is missing here. Okay, next one, the brigand had nothing to said. To said. Already we know that 2 plus V1, that is the condition. Here to said is there, so that is wrong. To say. Okay, it was a fact that he had broke the panes. See here, he had broke. Had broke is absolutely wrong. Had broken, had plus V3. Have, has and had plus V3. Okay, ma. Do, does, did plus V1. 2 plus V1. Right. So here this is broken. Had broken should be there. Next, he had become unconsciously defiant and did not care to deny the charge. So now you see the answers. The brigand had nothing to say. 2 plus V1. It was the fact that he had broken the panes. Had plus V3. He had unconsciously become defiant and did not care to deny the charge. So unconsciously, here you see the sentence. He had become unconsciously defiant and did not care to deny the charge. What is missing here? Unconsciously become defiant and he did not care to deny the charge. Here, what is missing here once you check it? Unconsciously. He had become. This is okay. And he did not care to deny the charge. Here also become unconsciously. Okay, ma'am. Here word order is missing once again. Next, last one. When another whack came on his back, he ejaculated, "Don't beat me, sir, it pains." Here, what is the meaning of this sentence? First of all, ejaculated means here he rose suddenly with a great pain. Means here another whack, as soon as he got another whack on his back, he ejaculated. That's Swaminathan. Okay, what he said? "Don't beat me, sir, it pains." Now here, when another whack came at his back, he ejaculated, "Don't beat me, sir, it pains." Okay, so here when another whack came on his back. Okay, now so this is the process of writing the editing passages. So once again, I'll tell you that whenever you are doing the editing passages, first you see the sentence beginning. Either it is present tense or past tense, and you have to remember that did, do, does, did plus V1, 2 plus V1, have, has, had plus V3, and adjectives, prepositions, total parts of speech you have to take care. Okay, ma'am? So we will meet again in another session. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.